Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to set up Shopify POS, the point of sale system that lets you sell in person using your Shopify store. Whether you run a physical shop, pop-up booth, or do events, this tutorial will show you everything from hardware setup to syncing your products, all in under 10 minutes. So, first of all, what is Shopify POS? Shopify POS or POS is a mobile app that connects your online store to physical sales. It works on iPad, iPhone, and Android devices and lets you accept payments, manage inventory, and track in-person sales all synced to your Shopify store. There are two versions: Shopify POS Lite free with all plans, and POS Pro paid for advanced features like staff rules, smart inventory, and analytics. What you need to get started. Here's what you need to set up Shopify POS or point of sale. A Shopify account, a smart device like iPhone, iPad, or Android device. The Shopify POS app free from App Store or Google Play Store. Optional hardware, barcode scanner, card reader, receipts, printer, cash drawer. Let's go step by step and get it running. Now download and log into your POS app. Head over to App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Shopify POS app. Download the app on your device. Once downloaded, log into your Shopify credentials. You will now see your synced products, orders, and customer profiles all connected to your store. Now, go to your Shopify dashboard, log into your Shopify account, and set up your sales location. Go to Settings tab, then Locations, add a new location like pop-up, booth, or main store. Assign this location to your POS device. Now set up your payment methods in the POS app. Enable Shopify payments or third-party processor. Set up cash, gift cards, or custom payment methods. Connect the Shopify card reader via Bluetooth if you are using one. You can scan or search for products right from the app. Everything from your online store syncs here automatically. Use smart grids to organize your most sold items or categories on the home screen for faster checkout. If you have physical inventory, assign it to your POS location for accurate stock tracking. Let's run a test sale to see how it works. Tap a product from your Shopify POS app, then tap cash out like that. Shopify POS app payment, complete payment, print or email the receipt. You will see this transaction appear in your Shopify orders instantly with the POS location noted. Shopify offers certified hardware that makes checkout smoother, card reader for tap or chip payments, barcode scanner, receipt printer, cash drawer. You can buy this directly from the Shopify hardware store based on your country. Search for Shopify hardware store, click on it. Select your region from here and buy all all tools from here. If you have a team, you can manage them through POS Pro. Create unique stub pins, track who made, who is sell, restrict access to certain data or settings. This is great for security and performance tracking in retail environments. And that's your full Shopify POS setup ready for in-person selling in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Shopify and e-commerce guide. Drop a comment if you want a checklist or want to see a tutorial on how, using POS with events, pop-ups, or inventory management. Here's a quick recap of how to set up Shopify POS. First of all, download the Shopify POS app on your device and log in. Set up your sales location from Shopify admin dashboard. Connect payment methods like Shopify payments, cash, or card readers. Import and organize products using smart grids. Test a sale to make sure everything runs smoothly. Add POS hardware like barcode scanners or receipt printers for teams. Set up staff pins and roles with POS Pro for better control. Now you are ready to start selling in person with a fully synced Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.